Hi guys, I'm sending you this video testimonial because I can't make it to Colombo to the swimming club for this Kangen demo. As you can see here in a lecture that I'm about to conduct. It's for an iridology course here in Wadua in Blue Waters. So as much as I really want to, I can't make it. Now I'm sending you this testimonial because I want you guys to know that I am a Kangen user and a Kangen promoter. People who come to my clinic know that the first thing I always tell them is that having an alkaline constitution is very important. So as I always say, your body's 70% water. Putting alkaline water in your system through Kangen makes the fight for an illness-free constitution much faster. Other things that people know about me is that I only promote products that I really know, that I love, that I've tried, that I believe in. So Kangen I purchased in July last year. After I purchased my unit, I was happy with it, so I purchased another one for my kids in Melbourne, and then in December I purchased one for my mom in the US. So Kangen is something that our family uses. We're very happy with it. It's been very good for recovering from illness, very good when you travel so much, and just very good overall. It makes recovering or preventing illness or just increasing your energy levels much easier rather than just the supplements. Now, another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that quality is very important for me, and people who know me can assure you of that. I usually prefer purchasing more expensive products as long as the quality is there. Now, Kangen is an ISO approved product. It's the only alkaline filter that's got that ISO approval. So I think it says a big thing about Kangen. It's also the only product that's being used in hospitals right now. So in terms of quality, in terms of performance, I think you can be assured that Kangen will go a long way. So enjoy the lecture, enjoy what Judy and Tamara's got to share with you. Judy's got a lot of knowledge and experience with Kangen. Tamara as well has had her own set of experiences. Tamara and I have been giving out Kangen water to a lot of people for them to try and experience. And so, listen, grab all the information that you can get, try the water, and try all the other stuff that they'll be soaking in Kangen water. I think you have to experience it to know it. And then if you're not sure, come to any of us. Get some water, experience it with your family, and see how you think and how you feel with Kangen. So have a good time. Hi Judy, hi Tamara. Hope you guys have a good time there. Bye.